Shit is getting real in Costco. Out of toilet paper, out of wipes. It looks like this is what I'm gonna have to do from now on. Get some Depends. No toilet paper or wipes left. Mind you. 3:39 in the morning. Here we are.
And
at Winco. It's supposed to be open 24 hours.
And
we
this
thought
is what we
would
see.
get here. We know they were usually restock at like 2, 3 in the morning. And now they're saying that they close because they need to restock, have time to restock. I know.
We have to
I can't believe it. So 5 a.m. They said that's when they said to come back. They were restocking. And check this out. No, this is where the toilet paper towels is supposed to be. And they're out. No toilet paper. And we got here when the doors opened, which means they never restocked, like the manager said.
Toilet paper, help! Chris, you're cute. Why aren't you succeeding?
I'm doing my cool. What's up? What's up? Got some TP? Got some TP? Might show you some titties for some TP.
Hey guys, so I know this is not going to last you, but we're out of toilet paper in our area, but I got you guys some flushable wipes. I'm going to put it in your box that I have to send you.
Oh my God, you're so funny. Well, I want to personally thank you for always having our asses. Get it? Instead of our backs, you got our asses. So we very much appreciate it, but we will still be on the hunt because, you know, Mom will clog the toilet with those. Anyway, I love you. Mwah. So I'm at Costco. I got here at 5 a.m. It's 5:23 now. They open at 10, and they're letting people have one thing of toilet paper per person. So Mom has gone to Albertsons and Fry's since I've been here, and all their shipments do not have any toilet paper on them. So I'm just gonna hang out here until 10 a.m. At least I'll get some toilet paper for the house. Love you. Mom and I are gonna start skipping. We got the golden ticket. We got the golden ticket. We're number 9 and we're about to get some toilet paper. Woohoo, bitches!